Okay, you ready? You can play? Oh, hello. Hello, Hale. You can play a Passover tune, Misha? Excellent. You can play a duet. A duet is when two... Yeah, and then what? H-I... Misha, then what comes next? H-I...
Leisha, can you guys get up for a second?
Why, honey? They're playing. Honey, they're playing and then you can have a turn.
Oh, you're
okay?
videotaping.
Yes.
Why are you videotaping me?
Because you were talking.
No.
No.
Hey, I'm talking.
Oh, Leah, you